Your home with AI, the ultimate guide. Imagine waking up in the morning and your house is already brewing coffee, adjusting the temperature, and playing your favorite playlist, all without you lifting a finger. Welcome to the world of AI-powered home automation. This is no longer a futuristic dream. It's a reality that can transform your living space into a smart, responsive environment. In this story, we'll walk you through the ins and outs of how to automate your home with AI, covering smart devices, practical applications, and how to build your own automated setup. Hat 1. 1. The rise of AI in home automation. AI has revolutionized the way we interact with technology. From virtual assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant to smart appliances that learn your preferences, AI is at the heart of modern home automation. It's not just about convenience. It's about creating a more efficient, secure, and personalized living experience. With AI, your home can become a self-sufficient ecosystem. Devices communicate with each other, adjust to your lifestyle patterns, and even predict your needs. Whether it's managing your energy consumption, securing your property, or creating a relaxing ambience, AI is the driving force behind it all. Hash 2. Smart devices. The building blocks of AI home automation. To get started, you'll need some key smart devices. Here's a breakdown of the most popular ones. Smart speakers and voice assistants. Devices like Amazon Echo and Google Nest act as the central hub of your AI-powered home. They respond to voice commands and control other smart devices. Smart thermostats. Adjust your home's temperature based on your habits, saving energy and money. Popular options include Nest Thermostat and Ecobee. Smart lighting. Control your lights remotely or set schedules for them to turn on and off. Some systems, like Philips Hue, even adjust lighting based on your mood or the time of day. AI security systems. Enhance your home security with smart cameras and motion sensors that can recognize faces and detect unusual activity. Smart appliances. AI-powered refrigerators, washing machines, and ovens learn your preferences and offer suggestions to make your life easier. 3. How to automate common home tasks with AI? Once you have your devices in place, the real magic happens when you connect and automate them. Here are some examples of what you can achieve. Morning routine automation. Your smart blinds open at sunrise. The thermostat adjusts to a comfortable temperature. Your coffee maker starts brewing automatically. Energy management. AI systems monitor your energy usage and suggest ways to reduce consumption. Smart plugs turn off appliances when not in use. Home security. AI security cameras detect and alert you to unusual activity. Smart locks grant access to trusted visitors while keeping intruders out. Entertainment and ambience. Your AI assistant curates playlists based on your mood. Smart lighting changes color and intensity to match the time of day or special occasions. Number 4. Integrating AI for a seamless experience. The key to successful home automation is integration. You want your devices to work together seamlessly. Many smart devices now offer compatibility with platforms like Apple HomeKit, Google Home, and Amazon Alexa. Centralized control. Use a single app to control all your devices. Automation routines. Create routines that trigger multiple actions with a single command. For example, saying, "Good night, Laws, turn off the lights and lower the thermostat." IFT, if this then that, a powerful tool that helps you create custom automations by connecting different services and devices. Dash 5, benefits of automating your home with AI. Convenience and comfort, automate repetitive tasks and focus on what matters most. Energy efficiency, reduce your carbon footprint and save on utility bills. Enhanced security. Monitor and protect your home 24/7 with AI-powered security systems. Personalization. Tailor your home's environment to your preferences and lifestyle. 6. Future of AI in home automation. As AI technology advances, the possibilities for home automation are expanding. Future innovations may include even smarter predictive systems, improved voice recognition, and deeper integration with wearable tech and health monitoring. The smart home of tomorrow could anticipate your needs before you even think about them. Imagine your home detecting your stress levels and adjusting the lights and music to help you relax. The future is exciting, and it's closer than you think. Conclusion. Home automation with AI is no longer a luxury. It's becoming a standard feature in modern living. By investing in AI-powered devices and integrating them into your daily life, you can create a smart home that offers unparalleled convenience, security, and energy efficiency. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a homeowner looking for ways to simplify your life, AI home automation has something to offer. Start small, experiment with different devices, and watch your home transform into a personalized, intelligent space that works for you.